Hey guys, it's Jake, and I'm going to be telling you all about my new computer. Let's just kick it off right now with, I got a Carbide Series 200R Corsair case, and inside of that I put a Z87 Pro Socket LGA 1150 ATX Intel motherboard by Asus. Then I put a i7 4770K by Intel, and then I went with a GPU by EVGA, the superclocked 780. So I got Crucial Ballistics Tactical 16GB RAM, a disk drive made by LG, and then I got a Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive, and then a Samsung like 480 SSD. Then I got a 850 watt power supply by Corsair. I got a Cooler Master Evo for my i7, and that pretty much covers my build. And then I got a Windows 8.1 Pro, which allows me to use 32GB in case I ever want to upgrade my RAM. So within the first 2 minutes I have listed all of my parts, but I want to go a little bit more in depth on what they actually do. So starting off with the GPU, I got a 780, which is one of the highest top of the line cards by Nvidia, one of them. There's of course the 780 Ti, and then the Titan, and then the newly released Titan Z, really used for multi-monitor setups or really high res, like two 4K televisions. The i7 4770K, nothing too special, just a newer processor. And then my RAM, it's like, I think 12,800 clock speed, so not like the highest of the high, but good enough. So then my disk drive, it's a Millennium disk drive, so it writes down stuff and things, so the disk will last for a millennium before it starts deteriorating, essentially. And then my hard drive, its RPM is 7,200, so spins that many times a minute. If you want to just divide that by 60, about like, I don't feel like doing it. It's about like a little bit over 200. No. A little bit over 100. I'm not doing math right now. It's spring break. It is 11:30. I'm not that tired yet, so I'm doing this video. So it's 6GB per second write speed. Don't have a lot of information on the SSD. I didn't write that down on my list. And then my Carbide Series 200R tower. It only comes with 2 fans, so I incorporated 2 more fans, also made by Corsair. It's worth it because it's only like a $60 case, so paying an extra $20 only makes it $80. And it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's very plain. It's just black metal and plastic. I like it. The EVGA GPU comes with a poster. The power supply made by Corsair comes with a case badge, which I didn't put on because it just make it cluttery. So I will be putting pictures up when I mention all the things. Thank you. And this, if you're thinking you want to build this, it's under 3,000 but above 2,000. So just keep that in mind. Brandon will probably be making one similar to this, maybe using AMD card, just because his family prefers AMD. I like the NVIDIA, plus I love Shadowplay, which is how I'm recording my new videos, which haven't been out yet because I'm working on editing a little better. If you watch SimCity, my voice is not as loud as the video, and there's nothing I can do about that because I used the voice recording software on Shadowplay, and that did not help my situation. So yeah, I am currently downloading games. I have Gmod, I have Call of Duties, I have Battlefield, and I will continue to be uploading, hopefully frequently. My third grading period just ended, so I have the last grading period, but my standardized testing will be soon. So my amount of videos produced will probably be lower than usual, mostly because I'm taking honorary classes and it is not so easy for the SOLs, mostly because some of my teachers are just flat out awful. I like them, but they're just not that great at teaching. At least for my math, I only have to do like half of them right in order to pass, so hopefully I'll get like 75% of them right? Like that's kind of what you're aiming for. So a little bit of benchmarking on this machine. Nothing so far has lowered me below, I'd say, 60 frames per second. Except for Assassin's Creed 4. Assassin's Creed 4 is very taxing, only because of what it's doing in the game. In the game, there's a lot of things that are moving and a lot of things that have to be rendered at once. So it creates a lot of clutter when it comes to rendering it out. So yeah. My computer's decently quiet. I mean, I don't care that much because I always have a headset on. I've been editing a lot. I actually made an outro that's decent, and so hopefully that will work well. Thanks, and bye, guys. Subscribe today and you can become a calf. Just, you know, be our little baby cows. For us. Be our children. We will raise you like our own, and you'll be brought into our cow faction. So, bye. Yeah.